you're now inside Unite. Now that you're inside Unite, let's take a quick look at the dashboard and understand how everything is structured. This will help you navigate the platform smoothly before we start building anything. On the left-hand side, you'll find the main navigation panel. This is where you can access all the core sections of Unite, like your data sources, destinations, pipelines, alerts, and other key areas of the platform, along with account settings. At the top, you have the header section. Here, you'll find quick actions like search, book demo CTA, other important controls to manage your workspace, along with your profile settings. In profile settings, you can change your name and the profile picture of your workspace. Its profile setting also provides you a view of your raised tickets and logout CTA. You might also see helpful tooltips that guide you through different sections of the platform step by step. You can close it up and it moves to main header, and you can bring it back to get a quick guide to Unite. But still, if you ever get stuck, there are tutorial guides available right inside the dashboard to help you along the way. Let's talk about the main dashboard. In the center, this is going to be your main workspace. Here you get a quick overview of your account activity. You'll see cards that show the number of data sources and destinations you've connected, so you always have a quick snapshot of your setup. There's a recent activity section that keeps track of what's happening across your pipelines. You can invite team members directly from here, making it easy to collaborate with your team. So let's invite a team member by assigning a role to them, and an invitation link will be sent to them to join this workspace. But still, if you ever get stuck, there are tutorial guides available right inside the dashboard to help you along the way. Now, since you're familiar with the dashboard, let's move on to adding your first data source. For this video, we'll connect Google Analytics 4. Step 1. From the left-hand side navigation, go to Data Sources. This will take you to the Data Sources screen. Step 2. Click Add Data Source here. You'll find this option on the top right and also in the center of the screen. Step 3. This will take you to the screen with data sources that are available on Unite to connect, including Google Analytics 4, Google Ads, Google Search Console, Meta Ads, HubSpot, and Shopify. Move ahead by selecting Google Analytics 4. Step 4. Once selected, you'll be prompted to connect your Google Analytics account. You'll also find a setup guide on the right-hand side, which can help you with any additional configuration if needed. A Google authentication window will open. Choose the account you want to connect and grant the required permissions to Unite. Step 5. After granting access, Unite will verify your account and complete the connection. This usually takes just a few seconds. And that's it. Your Google Analytics 4 data source is now connected and ready to use. Since your data source is connected, now and once you go back to the data source screen, you can see a table with connected list of your data sources. For now, you can see Google Analytics 4 in this table. Once you click on that, you can go to the details screen of this data source, where you can see its accounts that are being linked under this data source, and you can access them to fetch data. And from the top right, you can see an Actions button out of which you can test the connection of the data source. By testing connection, it means you can re-verify your account's permissions. By this, you can prevent any broken pipelines due to data source authentication. If you click on the top, Get Started, you see the data source checkbox is checked under Setup Tour Guide. That means you have completed first step of setting the Unite workspace. Now let's move ahead by adding a new destination to continue. Unite currently supports destinations like BigQuery, Redshift, and Google Data Studio. For this video, we'll connect BigQuery. Select BigQuery to continue. You'll land on the BigQuery setup screen. On the left, you'll find the required input fields, and on the right there's a setup guide to help you. Step 5. Name your destination. Start by giving your destination a name. This helps you identify it later, so you can name it anything meaningful. For example, My BigQuery Destination. Next, you'll need your BigQuery project ID. To find this, open your Google Cloud Console in a new tab. Select the project where you want your data to be stored. Copy the project ID and paste it here in Unite. Now, let's grant access to Unite. Copy the service account provided here. Then go back to your Google Cloud Console, search for IAM, and open it. Click on Grant Access, paste the service account, and assign the required roles. Make sure to add BigQuery User, BigQuery Data Editor. Once done, save your changes. Now return to Unite. You can also choose your data processing location, for example, US or any other region based on your preference. Once everything is filled in, click on Save and Test. Unite will verify your configuration and permissions. If everything is set up correctly, your BigQuery destination will be successfully connected and ready to use. And that's it. You've connected your BigQuery destination. Similarly, if you go back to the destination screen, you can see a table with connected list of your destination. For now, you can see BigQuery in this table. Once you click on that, you can go to the details screen of this destination, where you can see all details of this BigQuery destination, along with top right actions button, out of which you can rename your destination, edit few details, and test the connection. By testing connection, it means you can re-verify your account's permissions. By this, you can prevent any broken pipelines. You can see Home Screen Data Source, Destination tabs, Recent Activities tabs are updates along with Setup Tour Guide. And that's how you can connect any destination. Now that you've learned what Unite is, how to add a data source, and how to connect a destination, let's create your first pipeline. For this video, we'll build a pipeline from Google Analytics 4 to BigQuery. Step 1. From the left-hand side navigation, click on Pipelines, which will open up the Pipeline tab for you. Click on Create Pipeline to get started. Step 2. First, select your data source. Since we've already connected Google Analytics 4, I'll go ahead and select GA4. Now, give your pipeline a name. Step 3. Choose the account or credentials connected to your data source. If you want to add a new account, you can do that here as well, using the Add New Credential option. For this example, I'll select my existing GA4 account and continue. You can see the info you are selecting is appearing on the right. Step 4. Unite will now fetch all available accounts and properties linked to your GA4. Select the accounts and properties you want to pull data from. You can choose as many as you need. Step 5. Select Reports. Now, choose the type of data you want to extract. Unite provides pre-built reports that you can select directly. You can also view the dimensions and metrics used in each report. Step 6. If you want more control, you can switch to Configure Manually and create your own custom report. Just give your report a name, select the dimensions and metrics you need, and save it. Step 7. Next, choose your destination. Since we have already connected BigQuery, I'll select BigQuery and move ahead. You can also add a new destination from here if needed. Step 8. Now define where your data will be stored. Add your destination table name, choose your sync frequency, time interval, and time zone. Step 9. Test pipeline. Once everything is set, Unite will validate your pipeline configuration. This includes checking your data source, reports, and destination setup. Step 10. Review and finish. You'll now see a preview of your data and configuration. Take a moment to review everything carefully. Once you've finished creating the pipeline, you won't be able to edit it later, so make sure everything looks correct. Step 11. Run sync. Now click Finish to create your pipeline. You can either run the sync immediately or let it run as per your schedule. I'll go ahead and click Sync Now. You'll now land on the pipeline detail page. Here you can track your sync status, view schema details, and manage configurations. You can also pause the pipeline or trigger manual sync anytime. Check sync details. As your pipeline runs, you'll see the sync progress here. You can click on any sync to view detailed logs, including rows fetched and processing details. To verify your data, head over to your Google console and then to BigQuery. There, you'll find your dataset and tables created based on your pipeline configuration. You can open them to view your synced data. And that's it. You've successfully created your first pipeline in Unite. As you can see, it's simple, no code, and designed to get your data flowing in just a few steps. In the next videos, we'll explore more data sources, destinations, and advanced use cases.